This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make the simplest slime. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need 4 ounces of white school glue, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of saline solution. Make sure your saline solution lists sodium borate as an ingredient. This is crucial for activation. Also, grab a mixing bowl and a spoon. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and fun. Now, let's start mixing. Begin by pouring 4 ounces of white school glue into your clean mixing bowl. Next, carefully add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda directly into the glue. Use your spoon to stir these 2 ingredients together very well. You want to ensure the baking soda is completely dissolved and evenly distributed throughout the glue. This creates the essential base for your slime. It's time for the magic ingredient. Add 1 tablespoon of saline solution to your glue and baking soda mixture. As you stir, you'll notice the mixture immediately start to thicken and pull away from the sides of the bowl. Keep stirring until it forms a cohesive blob. If it still feels too sticky, add just a few more drops of saline solution, one at a time, and continue mixing. Once your slime has formed a blob, it's time to get your hands in there. Take the slime out of the bowl and begin kneading it with both hands. This process should take about 5 minutes. The more you knead, the less sticky and more stretchy your slime will become. When you're done playing, store your amazing new slime in an airtight container to keep it fresh for future fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.